Hi boys and girls! So you already went through the slides of practicing using visual models. So let's just start off by making sure that this is open and it's in Kami. I am going to write my name. Now, this one is a little difficult to do on the computer. You are more than welcome. I just want you to do at least the 3 that I'm doing, just so that you know what to look for on the quiz. And then the rest you can just figure out without drawing them. All right, so let's look at number 1. Remember, that whole number, you're multiplying it by only the numerator, the top number. So it would be 2. Okay, so what we're going to do, I'm going to draw. Let me see. This might help. If I'm going to draw 1, 2, 3, because there's 3 circles. And bear with me again because we're not perfect with drawing by any means on a computer. All right, and they need to be in 3 parts. So I'm going to try my best and then go down. All right. Here we go. And here we go. All right, so now we need to color 2 in. So I'm going to do different colors because that is what you have to do. So here's a set of 2. Okay. Here's a set of 2. Because we're doing it 4 times. Okay. So 1, so 2. So that's 1, 2. There we go. 3. Because see how the colors, that means those 2 count as 1. So 1, 2, 3, 2 more. So let me get another color, which would be purple. All right. Okay. All right. So see here, so we're counting by 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8. So the answer would be, remember, you're only multiplying that whole number by the numerator. The denominator stays the same. So it would be 8 over 3. Wow. It's all right. So again, just try your best. All right, I'm going to change my color back. Okay, so here, again, the whole number is 3, and you're multiplying it by that numerator, which would be 3 again. And the denominator is 4, so the denominator doesn't change. So I'm going to use a number line this time. Oh boy, I'm going to undo that. I'm sorry, my hand got away from me. All right, it's the best I'm going to be able to do. So I'm going to just skip count again by 3s, but my denominator is going to be 4s. So I'm going to do right here, I'm going to do 3 fourths, because I'm counting by 3s on the top. 3 fourths, 6 fourths, and then we do 9 fourths, because I know I had to hop 3 times. So I'm going to get a different color, and now I'm going to hop, because I'm times again. So 1, 2, 3. So my answer is equals 9 fourths. So I'm going to make it sideways, and that is okay too. It's still a fraction. 9 fourths. So remember, this is an improper fraction, and we're going to work on that later this week. But if that number on the top is bigger than the one on the bottom, it's improper. So just remember that denominator is going to stay the same. All right, so now I am going to do one more. And I'm going to do a number line again because it'll be the easiest. All right, I'm going to make this a 0. Now remember, we're taking that whole number 2 and we're multiplying it by 7. Okay, so, and that denominator is going to stay the same. So I'm going to do 7 eighths. 14 eighths. And I'll do one more to finish my number line, which would be 21 eighths. Okay, and I'm going to get another color. I'm going to hop 2 times. 1, 2. So my answer would be 14 eighths. All right. Now, like I said, I would like you to kind of draw out the 3 that I did. And if you want to do number lines instead of pictures, or you want to do pictures instead of number lines, that is fine, but just make sure you at least show me a model for 1, 2, and 3. Then the rest, all I expect you to do is take that whole number and find the answer. So 5 times 2, because you're multiplying it by that top number. So 5, 10. So it would be 10, and then that denominator stays the same, fifths. Okay, so now I want you to finish and do 5, 6, 7, and 8, and then make sure you submit it in your Dropbox in AE, and I'll grade it. All right, thank you, boys and girls. I hope you have a great rest of your day. If you need me,